How to become an apprentice. Step 1. Get the information. Check relevant web pages at www.apprenticeship.ie and promotional materials. Attend Teagasc and apprenticeship promotional events. Check that you meet the required entry requirements. Step 2. Get a job. Secure a job with a SOLAS approved employer. Agree terms and conditions. Sign a contract of employment. Step 3. Contact SOLAS. The employer contacts the SOLAS authorised officer to complete the apprenticeship registration process in conjunction with the apprentice. SOLAS authorised officer registers the apprentice. Step 4. Enroll on a Teagasc apprenticeship programme. Complete Teagasc online application process. Attend induction training with Teagasc. Start your career as an apprentice. Good luck with your apprenticeship.